This is a dismantling process of Planetary mill gearbox. It starts with removing dial thermometers, then remove breathers, remove all inspection covers and gaskets from both sides. Now remove output extension key using bolts. Remove output seal retain plate. Remove first oil seal, then remove oil catcher and remove second oil seal. Now remove top of second stage. Now remove bottom of second stage from the first stage. This separates the third stage and the first stage. Now dismantle the third stage first. Remove third stage bearing cap. Remove studs. Remove bottom of second stage. Remove radial bearing. Remove third stage annulus. Now remove top of third stage. Remove third stage bearing cap. Remove studs. Remove lower of third stage. This completes the third stage dismantling. Now remove right hand side lock plate of gear coupling. Remove the third sun pinion. Remove right hand side sleeve. Remove left hand side lock plate of gear coupling. Remove left hand side sleeve. Remove second stage annulus. Now remove second stage carrier along with planet gears. Remove end cover of first stage. Remove input extension keys. Remove input oil catcher. Remove top of first stage. Then remove studs. Now remove bearing retain plate. Remove first stage bearing cap. Remove studs. Remove second stage sun pinion along with first wheel and then remove input pinion with bearings. This completes dismantling of Planetary mill gearbox.